La Tour Eiffel. Built for the 1889 World Expo, 324 meters tall, with its iconic iron structure, named after Gustave Eiffel, the engineer who designed and built it. Palais de Chaillot, Place du Trocadéro. Constructed for the 1937 World Expo, this spot offers the best views of the Eiffel Tower. Chaillot is the name of the hill. Trocadero commemorates a French military victory in Spain, 1823. Les Invalides. Built by Louis XIV as a complex for soldiers, now housing Napoleon's tomb. The name means the disabled soldiers, originally a hospital and residence for wounded war veterans. Place de la Concorde, a vast square, once an execution site during the Revolution. Concorde means harmony or peace, symbolizing unity after the Revolution. Champs-Élysées, one of the world's most famous avenues, now lined with boutiques and cafes. The name comes from Greek mythology, the Elysian Fields, a paradise for heroes. Arc de Triomphe, commissioned by Napoleon in 1806 to celebrate French military victories. Its name means triumphal arch, celebrating triumphs. Grand Palais, Petit Palais. Constructed for the 1900 World Expo with glass roofs and neoclassical design. Their names mean Great Palace and Small Palace. Jardin des Tuileries, created by Catherine de' Medici in the 16th century as a royal garden. Tuileries comes from tile factories, Tuiles, once located here. Arc de Triomphe du Carrousel, built in 1806 to commemorate Napoleon's victories. Carousel refers to military parades once held here. Musée du Louvre, originally a royal palace, opened as a national museum in 1793. The word Louvre may come from a medieval term for fortress. The oldest stone bridge in Paris, completed in the 16th century. Its name means new bridge. Neuf means nine or new, though it is now the oldest surviving one. Sainte-Chapelle, built in 1248 as a royal chapel, famous for stained glass windows. Its name means Holy Chapel. Cathédrale Notre-Dame de Paris. Construction began in 1163, completed in 1345, a Gothic masterpiece. Notre-Dame means Our Lady, dedicated to the Virgin Mary. 2019, a fire broke out, destroying the roof and spire, though the bell towers and rose windows remained intact. After 5 years of restoration, the cathedral reopened to the public on December 8, 2024. Place de la Bastille, a historic square symbolizing the French Revolution of 1789, named after the Bastille fortress, symbol of tyranny, later destroyed. Panthéon, an 18th century neoclassical monument, resting place for great figures of France. From Greek, its name means Temple of All Gods, later a mausoleum for heroes. Jardin du Luxembourg. Created in 1612 by Marie de Medici, now a popular public park, named after the Luxembourg Palace. Montmartre, artists' quarter with unique streets around Sacré-Cœur. The name means Mount of Martyrs, after the martyrdom of Saint Denis. Basilique du Sacré-Cœur, built in the late 19th century on Montmartre Hill, with panoramic views. Sacré-Cœur means Sacred Heart of Jesus, symbol of faith. Now we are heading to the Palace of Versailles. Located just outside Paris, Versailles can be reached by train from the city center, typically via the RERC line, or by car in about 30-40 minutes. The palace was originally a hunting lodge before being transformed by Louis XIV in the 17th century into a grand royal residence. It served as the seat of political power in France until the French Revolution in 1789. The palace is renowned for its Hall of Mirrors, where major treaties were signed, its exquisitely landscaped gardens designed by André Le Nôtre, and the opulent apartments of the king and queen. Versailles exemplifies French Baroque architecture, showcasing the absolute monarchy's wealth, artistic taste, and cultural influence. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited landmarks in France.